Hi guys, we're the Wolfmans and we are building our second dream home right across the street from our first custom home build. Previously, we walked you through all the work that was happening behind, or rather inside the walls, including all the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and AV rough-ins and wiring. In our previous episode, we completed our insulation, which was a combination of spray foam, batt insulation, and blow-in insulation in the attic. We had some issues with our insulation team and found some mistakes along the way, but we addressed those and are now finally ready to move forward with closing our walls as we start drywall. So let's take you on site. So now that the scaffolding is out, our drywall guy was able to bring in all these massive sheets of drywall.
Finally.
Yeah, so look at these huge, massive pieces of drywall. They're what, like 12 feet? Yeah, they're gonna get to work to putting up the drywall. That's it, we're closing up the walls, finally.
Okay, so one other thing we really had to take care of was the shower bench. So in our master shower, we have a niche, and then we have a floating shower bench underneath. So in order to have a proper floating shower bench that's done properly and will have no issues down the road, you really need steel brackets, to be able to support that weight, which we actually couldn't find anywhere in Canada. We would have had to get those custom made, but there was a company in the States that we ordered them from. So right here, myself and my builder Michael installed these puppies yesterday.
So now that they've put the drywall on the inside of the other rooms, obviously they're still going to close it out here, but it really gives us a sense of what our upstairs hallway foyer area of right as we come up the stairs and right before we enter the bedrooms, what it's going to look like.
You haven't seen the master yet. Go take a look.
This is how open it's going to be and what it's going to feel like. So exciting. Whoa. Look at this. We're closing it off. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's funny because once you put the drywall, suddenly the rooms start feeling a little bit smaller. It's only natural because before it was all open like this. So every time you'd look somewhere, you'd see a much greater space. I'm kind of questioning whether this is possibly bigger than our current bedroom because it almost doesn't feel like it, but I know that it is. So I know it's only like that because the rooms are open and it's a construction site and there's lots of stuff in the way and these massive pieces of drywall on the floor. But yeah, I guess once you start closing off the walls, suddenly the rooms and the spaces start feeling a little bit smaller. But I know that they're a very generous size, and as soon as we actually start painting and putting the other finishes in place and putting furniture, it's gonna really feel homey. But this is crazy. We're closing our walls and we're officially moving to the finishes stage. Yay! We're in our master bathroom and it's so nice to start seeing it come together. Again, as I mentioned, now that the drywall is up and you no longer see past this room, now you really get a sense of what the room's gonna feel like. And
so honestly, it's cool. So our vanity is massive in here. So our vanity is from that far wall. So our vanity goes from the far wall.
Here, so from here.
Nice. Don't knock over the plumbing. So from there, keep going, and it's going to end 3 inches before the outlet.
Ish.
Right there.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my little makeup station right here with gorgeous natural lighting coming from the window. It's south facing, so it's just really nice light. It's so bright here. I'm just getting really excited. It's like nice to see it really come together.
I'm just gonna sit and test out the shower bench.
Nice.
Hope these don't fall.
Well, they better be able to hold you because
no. Each of these can handle I think 300 pounds. So when it's actually spread out, this is about 900 pounds that can actually be on here. So it's
well, hopefully we don't have 900 pounds of weight on top of it.
No. Well, yeah, that'd be a serious problem. No, it's good. Me and my builder Michael installed these, which was super fun. We made a slight mistake and had to correct it, but we're all good. The mistake actually that we made was we originally installed this on the other side, so it would have been right here, but then when you actually line it up, it would have ended up being just on the outside of where our niche is here, but we wanted everything to be centered. So this is gonna be like our soap niche, pretty self-explanatory, be able to put all our soaps and stuff. 90% of that will be taken up by this lady right here. And then we'll have the floating bench underneath. So I actually think it's going to look really cool. Like in the current house, we don't have a floating bench, and it's nice, but I really think this one's going to look really special. We're going to do probably a 4-inch thick, bench. I think it's going to look slick. So just on site here with my builder Michael, and as we've said a few times, insulation drywall guy has been a little frustrating. These walls here were supposed to be insulated for sound, but shocker, somehow it was missed. So we're just on site now. Michael and I are removing the drywall today because taping has started. So we're removing the drywall, putting the insulation in ourselves, and then gonna put the drywall back up. Pretty unacceptable, but something we got to take care of. Got to do what you got to do, I guess.
Okay, so we're documenting Josh here putting together drywall for what, like 10 seconds? 10 seconds on the video.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, 14 seconds on the
video. How long? An hour and a half?
So
this is
this is the upper office and the second floor. In the original house, there was no such room, but then we said, hey, kids' bedrooms, they need a bed, they need a couple of basic things.
No, we only lost 8 inches in each kid's bedroom. We
Right.
mainly took the space out of the closets.
That's right.
It was very efficient.
Yeah.
It was actually my design. Was
it?
It was.
Was it?
I like it.
Thank you.
Okay, let's
sir.
get back to work, young
What?
man.
Oh.
This guy always trying to be behind the camera,
Oh.
never getting his hands dirty. It's ridiculous.
Done.
Okay, so just in the house, we're upstairs. Looks like they're pretty much finished drywalling the entire upstairs. They haven't done any mudding or taping yet, but looks like everything's done up here. I'm actually just in the master bath. They finished doing the dent shield on the in the shower, and the niche is all set up. So just gonna turn this around and take a little look. So here is the master shower right here. So we got our controls are gonna be over here. We got our soap niche over here, which will be centered over our floating bench. Guys, what do you think?
Holy
Leo, what do you think? Do you like it? Whose house? Mommy and Leo's house?
Who else?
Am I invited?
Leo, who else?
Mommy and Daddy. And who else? Who's someone you're holding? Lovey.
This looks amazing.
Yeah,
This is
it's really
crazy.
coming along. We got
Wow.
full drywall, taping's getting there.
It's a house.
Check this out right here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. That skylight, huge.
That looks amazing.
Hi, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna show Leo his room.
Leo, is this gonna be your room? What is this? Whose room is this? Are you so excited that you can't even get the words out?
Leo? Yeah. Is this gonna be your room? Yeah.
Are you excited this is gonna be your room? Okay, what color should we paint the room? Should we paint a big...
Don't tell him.
Should we... A blue? What do you think? I have a question. What about maybe right on this wall, right here, on this wall, we put a big Go Leafs Go. Go Leafs Go! Go Leafs Go! All right, it's official, babe.
Okay,
You can't do anything about it now. It's on video. It's captured.
What's gonna be here? Leo, what's gonna be
What's
here?
gonna be right here? Leo's bath?
Are you excited to take a bath here? You wanna see? Do you wanna have a bath right now? Yeah?
Well, we'll have to go home.
It's dirty, you're right.
It's dirty, that's
You
right.
keep us in check, Leo. Leo, are you excited about the new house? Yeah?
We're so excited too.
You wanna see the shower?
Okay, let's go to Mommy and Daddy's shower. Let's go see.
Come.
Come check it out.
Leo?
Whose room is
Whose
this?
room is this? Mommy's
Excuse me.
room. You got that right.
Is someone
babe.
else invited to this room, or is it only Mommy? Whose closet is that? Mommy's or Daddy's?
Sounds about right. It's Mommy's room and Leo's
Mommy's
closet.
room and Leo's closet. Okay. I guess I'll go sleep in the basement.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. That's nice.
Do you want to come see Mommy's and Daddy's shower? Yeah?
Come on, let's go see.
Are you gonna have showers with Mommy and Daddy there? Wow.
Look, buddy, this big spot right here, this is gonna be the shower. What do you
Are
think?
you gonna play with toys on this bench?
Yeah.
There's gonna be a bench there.
Does this look like a nice shower?
Yeah.
Does it look big?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it just gonna be Leo and Mommy, or is Daddy invited?
Daddy invited Lovey and Leo and Mommy.
We're all invited? That sounds like such a fun shower. You're such a cutie, buddy.
I love you.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave us a comment or a like to let us know your thoughts, and be sure to subscribe to follow along our home building journey. Now that we closed the walls, we are officially moving on to the sexier part of the home build, the finishes stage. In our next episode, we will take you shopping with us again as we select our tiles and hardwood for the house, so be sure to join us next time.